I would want the audience na pag pumasok sila ng sinihan, I'd like for them to be reminded na, you know, it's still a film. We don't really own Popoy and Macho. Yung totoong creators nito, meron silang nabuong kwento and yun yung kwento nila. Kumbaga, let's have an open mind about the story. Kung saan siya napunta, kung siya tumakbo, kung paano siya tumakbo. Parang, yung kasi yung pinakatakot namin eh. People might be expecting na this is another major kilig movie, this is another major hugot movie. Parang, you know, you have to be reminded, the success of the part 1, hindi naman namin yun inimbento or niluto or kumbaga hindi namin alam na magiging successful siya. So with this film, again, we're gonna tell another story of the same familiar people that you know. So parang, let's be reminded, parang trata mong kaibigan mo. Diba? You have to hear both sides, parang gano'n. Parang, you have to be open-minded about it. Kasi, again, it's a film. It's just a story. So kung meron ka sariling story, and yun ang gusto mong mangyari, eh dapat ikaw ang nag-produce.